Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and welcome to TinkerHUNT 15. Once again, friends, this is a Tinkercad scavenger hunt. You click the link, copy and tinker, and then you've got to find these 5 awesome characters. If you do find the characters, I give you a shout out in next week's video. So once again, the characters are the Jack-o'-lantern, the Rocket, Blanky, the HLModTech Celebrating Kid, and the Unicorn Dude. These are all hidden super small in this huge project. When you're looking, remember you click on an item, press F for Fit View, and then you can look all around that area by right-click dragging your mouse, or you can use the view cube up here. When you want to go back to home, you simply hit the home button and you can look for the next spot. Things can also be hidden inside and under other objects. Make sure when you get close to an object, you do Control H to hide. You can do Show All to bring them back. You can also use this little button right here to hide them as well. Quite often I have also hidden things inside items, so make sure when you zoom in, like I'm going to zoom in on this fridge, you click on the door and you can do Control H and hide that as well. Friends, you can also click up here and read the instructions as you're double checking. I also have the list of the items you're looking for here as well, because as you can tell, I deleted the large one, so now you'll just be hunting for the small ones. Here you can see last week's post. This is the project link you'll click to get in. Friends, this is a great way to solve this. You tell me what item you found, where it was, and in what building you found it. Friends, of course, you can use the link in the description, or if you click the design in the gallery. Each week, if you give a correct solution, I will give you a shout out in this video. So as you can see, we have congratulations to Aviuk and Victor. You guys were fantastic. Thank you for participating. You can give your solutions to me several ways. You can reply in the comments of this video. If you're in my Google Classroom, you can also comment in Google Classroom. You can also do it via the HLModTech.com website. I have got a built-in messaging tool. You can click this button, fill in your information, and share it with me almost instantly. Another thing I'd like to share with you here is I've got the designer showcase with the Tinkercad profiles. If you want to find items real fast that I've created, you can click on this and boom, this will show you all the designs I've made. When you originally click the link, it is sorted by likes, but you can easily switch to latest and bam, here is TinkerHUNT 15 with the built-in shout out. Alrighty friends, so there you have it. TinkerHUNT 15 is in place. I hope you have a lot of fun searching and finding the characters and then posting your solution in any of the many ways you can share it with me. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or solution, add it down below or use any of the other techniques to share your results with me as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.